Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is quadratic equation, and in that class we take some important word problem based question based on quadratic equation. Now in today's class we also take and solve the some important questions based on word problem. And this is the last class of the chapter quadratic equation. Okay, so please consider this question. If the sum of if the sum of first n even natural numbers first n even natural numbers is 420, find the value of n. Now let's see its solution. Okay, this is the very important questions of your syllabus. Let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that question? Okay, the sum of the first n even natural number. So the first n even natural numbers are according to question, first n even natural numbers are first n even natural numbers are 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and dot so on to n terms. 2 n terms is equal to what? Their sum is given as what? 420. Okay, is equal to 420. So to question, first n even natural numbers are this. Okay, now here first term is what? 2. So this is an AP now, because of the difference between two successive terms remains constant, that is 2. Let's see, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 6 minus 4, that is 2, 8 minus 6, that is 2. So the required progression is an AP. So here we apply the sum of n terms. Since we know that the sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Now in that question, for that question, here the value of a, that is first term, is 2. The value of d, that is common difference, is what? 4 minus 2, 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, that is 2. To the value of a here, the value of a is what? 2, and the value of d is what? 2 also, and the value of n is n, because of 2 n terms, na? And sum of n terms is given as 420. So the value of sum of n term we put as 420. So here that is 420 is equal to n is right as n, 2 into a means 2 plus n minus 1 into d means what? 2. Okay, now we just simplify them. So first of all, look, this is 420 is equal to n by 2. From these two terms we take 2 as common, so we get 2 plus n minus 1. We get 2 plus n minus 1. Okay students, now look here, 2 what cancel to each other, 2 to cancel to each other, so we get what is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, so n into that is n plus 1, n plus 1. Now we just multiplying them. So n square plus n is equal to 420. Now the n square plus n minus 420 is equal to 0. So now, dear student, this is a quadratic equation in terms of n. Now we just simplify, solve the given equation. Okay, now let's see. Now look, this is n square plus n minus 420 is equal to 0. Now we multiply 420 to this. So after then what, 3 is the 9. Now again 5, 7. Now look, here this is 1x, so now this is 2 2s are 4, 5 the 20 and 7 3 is the 21, so 21 and 20. Okay, we take two factors, so this is n square plus 21n minus 20n minus 420 is equal to 0. We just split it its middle term. Okay, now we found the pair. Now from these two terms we take n is common, so this is n plus 21 is there, this is minus 20 2s are 1s are is equal to 0. Okay, now we take n plus 21 in one bracket and n minus 20 is equal to 0, that is n is equal to minus 21 and n is equal to 20, but n with a natural number, so natural number not in negative, so we now don't take x is equal to minus 21 because of natural number is always as positive. Thus required number is 20. This is the required solution of the given. So dear student, in this way you can solve that type of question. So this is one of the most important question. So in this way you do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now we take and solve some important question based on the same chapter. We take a very important question. This is a very important question, and the question is: a two-digit number is number is such that the product of its digits is 18 full stop. When 63 is subtracted from the number, means the required number, the digits interchange their places. The digits change their places. Find the number. Now let's see its solution. This is a very important question. Okay, so first of all, here a two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 18. So if let the 10 digits be x, let the 10th digit be x, then its unit digit be 18 upon x respectively. 18 upon x respectively, because of the product of its digits is 18 now. We suppose that if one number is x, then second number on y, that is 18, then other number is what? 18 upon x. Okay, so in this, according to that concept. Okay, dear friends, now let the 10 digit be x, then its unit digit be 18 upon x. Thus the required number will be the required number will be 10 digits we taken as what? X. So required number is 10x plus unit digit, the quotient of the unit digit be 1, so 18 upon x. This is the required number according to concept of the question based on the two-digit numbers. Now next condition is there, when 63 is subtracted from the number, then the digits interchange their places. That is, now when 63 is subtracted from the number, so this is the original number. So according to question, 10x 18 minus x minus 63 is equal to, the digits interchanges their places. So 10 into 18 upon x plus x. Okay. Now after simplify that, we transfer that side. So this is 10x plus 18 upon x plus from that side minus 180 upon x and minus x. Okay, is equal to 63. Now we simplify them. 10x over minus 1, that is 9x is there. Now this is what I get here. Now do this is 18 upon x minus 180 upon 8. So now let's take LCM. So 80 minus 180, that is 162 minus 162 upon x. Okay, so here this is minus 162 upon x is equal to 63 after simplify them. Okay, now what I get? Now we just simplify the given expression, means we transfer 63 that side, so that is 9x minus 162 upon x minus 63 is equal to what? 0. Now we simplify them. Look, required number is this. Okay, now look, we take the LCM, we take x, we take x. Now we take x as LCM, so this is 9x square minus x cancel together, this is 162 is there, minus is equal to 0. Okay, now this is 9x square minus this is 63x minus 162 is equal to 0. Now we take 9 as common, 9 as common. Okay, now we take 9 as common, so this is x square minus 7x minus 9 ones are 9, 9 8 are equal to 0. Okay, so that is x square minus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. That is we solving them by taking the by splitting the middle term. This is x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, now look, we take x is common, so x minus 9 is 2, that is x minus 9 is equal to 0. This is x minus 9 and 0. So now look, so that is x is equal to 9 we taken, and x is equal to minus 2 not be taken, so we just only take x is equal to 9 after solving the quadratic equation. We get x is equal to 9 plus 9. Okay, now we put the value of x in the given expression. Now thus required number into x is what, 9, 90 plus 2, that is 92 is there. So 92 is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. This is the one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exams. Now we take some other important some other important question related to that topic. Okay, now the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2 1 upon 30. Find the number. Now let's see its solution. Now let the number be x. First of all, let the number be x. Then its reciprocal be 1 upon x. Then its reciprocal be 1 because of first of all we take the number be x, then its reciprocal be 1 upon x. That is the sum of a number and its reciprocal be this. Okay, so according to concept, x plus 1 upon x is equal to, this is 61 upon 30. 61 upon 30. Now we just simplify the given relation. Now this is x square plus 1, this is 61 upon 30. Now we do the cross multiplication. Plus 31 to 30 is equal to 61x. So here from there to 30x square minus 61x is equal to 0. So in this way we form a quadratic equation. Now 3 3s are 9, means 900. We just factorize them, 36 and 25. So this is 36 into 25. Because of 36, 25 is what? 61, and now if you multiply them, so we get what? 900. Now look, so we can write as 30 x square minus 36x minus 25x plus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, now from these two terms we take what? 6, x is common, so 5x minus 6 is there. Now here from there we take minus 5x common, this is 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now so that is now if we take 5x minus 6 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 6 upon 5, and when so in this way, thus the required number be 6 upon 5. This is the required solution of the given question. Okay, so dear friend, this is so in this way you can solve that question. First of all, we take the number be x, after that its reciprocal will be 1 upon x. Now after that we apply the condition according to question and simplify and we form a quadratic equation, and then simplify, we get the result 6 upon 5. Okay, so in this way you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on word problem based questions based on number. Okay, so in this way in today's class we take and solve some important question related to your chapter quadratic equation. Now in next class we take and solve some other important question related to the same chapter like the quadratic equation, and next class we take some other word problem based questions. Okay, students, now thanks to all.